Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video, and this one is going to be kind of exciting, guys. I have an unboxing for you. I have a new subscription box, which, hello, we love a good subscription box on this channel. You know we are subscribed to Ipsy, Glam Bag Plus, Ultimate here lately, the BoxyCharm box. We've got some perfumes subscriptions. Now we got a new subscription. You guys ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Got a jewelry subscription, I think. Yeah, we've got all kind of subscriptions going on over here. But this one is so cool. We've got FabFitFun. FabFitFun has partnered with me on this video to bring you their seasonal box. You guys, this is a like quarterly seasonal subscription box, and you're able to curate your own box, select your own options, and all that jazz. So let's go ahead and get into it and see if it's worth it. It's all full-size products, and it only retails for $49.99. Can you believe that? First of all, look at how big this box is. I'm really excited to get into it because I honestly don't know what to expect. I don't know what's going to be in here, so let's go ahead and get into it. Of course, like I said, you guys will be able to curate your own box, but this one is a surprise to me. I don't know what's going to be in here, to be honest. So let's get into it. I'm really excited. I'm really excited. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. And this is the box they ship it in. So this is what it looks like. There is a magazine on top. And I believe that, because I've seen videos on these before, I believe that your products are in here. Let me look. Yeah, okay, so yeah, you've got in the beginning, in the first part of the booklet, you've got prices for all your things, or just different things in different boxes. And so you've got, you can see how much things cost. So I love that. You guys know, I think that if you're going to quantify a box, that you need to know how much it costs. Like, you know, how much the things cost individually, so you can know if you're getting a bang for your buck or not, right? Did I use the right word? Quantify? You guys know what I mean. So I love that they have a way for you to know what you're getting in the box and how much it costs. Next is, you know, in these subscription boxes, you always get these really cool, hold on, flag on the play, flag on the play. Sorry about that. You know, in these subscription boxes, you always get your advertisements and things like that. So there, this one is, it says, save this for you, FabFitFun. Pass this on to a friend who would love FabFitFun. So I may give this to one of my best friends to see. It's $15 off your first box. So that's a $200 value for $34.99 with the discount code. So that's awesome. And then what is this? Sterling Forever Shine Bright $30 gift card off of Sterling Forever, which is a brand. And then this one is for HelloFresh. Y'all, I've actually tried HelloFresh, and I think it's really cool. It's one of those subscription like food things that you can, they'll send you everything that you need and all the measurements that you need. There's nothing for you to do. It's really no think cooking, and you cook your food as they send it to you, and it gives you different, you know, recipes and things like that. Just a great way to try new things and not have to think too hard about it, because, you know, sometimes it's hard to think about like what you're gonna eat the next day. So you've got a coupon in here for that. So that's really cool. But let's go ahead and get into this box, because I am super excited to see what is in here. It does come in tissue paper that just says FabFitFun, and it is sealed, so y'all can see I have not gotten into this box. And so we're gonna see together. Like, we're gonna get into it together. I hate to rip the paper. Oh, I hate to rip the paper. Oh, I hate to rip the paper. But already, so this is what the box looks like. Already I see some things that I'm excited about, because, okay, let's just start with this. So this is the original pink makeup eraser. It says erase all makeup with just water. If you've been on YouTube for any amount of time, you've seen this. This is, first of all, I love the packaging. It looks like a real eraser. I think that is so dope. But I've seen this many a times, and I wanted to try it. I just couldn't bring myself to pay for it, because I was just like, does it really work? So I'm super excited to have it in this box because then I can try it and see what I think about it. That's really dope. First of all, I love that already, that something that I've wanted to try that I've not ever tried, but it's in this box. That's another great thing about these subscription boxes. You can try things that you would have never thought to try had you not received it in a box. I'm trying to see if I can find the price for it. $20. So there's that, $20 here for that. Let's see what else we've got in here. Oh my goodness, another one. So this is the Vera Mona Color Switch Instant Brush Cleaner. So this, guys, is another item that I have long seen and heard about on YouTube. This is mine that I currently have. I've had this for years. I use this as, it's a color switch as well. But this is the Sephora brand, and Vera Mona made one for Sephora as well. So I love this thing and I live for this thing because I hate cleaning brushes. I'm sorry, but it's the truth. I hate cleaning my brushes. So that's why I have tons of them. Sometimes I just use a new brush. I don't even clean it. I just use a new brush. So I'm super excited to get this because I have one here, and I have one in my makeup studio. So I love them. So I know that I'm going to get some good use out of this. This one retails for $16.99. So that is super cool to have that in the box as well. What's this? Next thing in here is the Soft Focus Glow Drops Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer by Rodial. I don't know, y'all. Rodial. I don't know if you can see the brand name, but here's the packaging. Let me see. I love a good primer, and y'all know that because it's winter time, it's getting cold. I love this radiant, I don't want to be looking dry. So here is what the packaging looks like. This is really, really cute. It's this really cute dropper style with silver. Ooh. Oh, it looks so pretty. It's like fluorescent. It kind of looks like unicorn tears or something. I don't know. It's really, really pretty. I love it. It smells like, kind of smells citrusy. It smells good. I don't know what's in it, but it smells, there is a fragrance. So if you're sensitive, might not be the product for you, but I love getting these kinds of products. I'm trying to see if I can see a difference. Y'all, I'm really ashy. I wash my hands a lot. I have small babies, and it's wintertime, and they've been sick, so I wash my hands a ton, so they're really dry. But I love the way that is looking on my skin, on just that area. Again, it is fragranced, so if you're sensitive, you may not want to use it, but if you're not sensitive, then you'll probably love it. This is $55. $55, guys. Oh my gosh. I love the way it smells. Ugh, okay. Okay. Next, let's get into this big boy. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is massive. This is the Jonathan Adder Fleur de Sel Scented Candle. My husband loves candles, so I'm excited to get this in here. Let's see what this smells like. I'm trying to see what this retails for. $48? What? I can already smell it. Okay, that smells really like fresh linen-y. I like that. I like that. I wonder if my husband's probably gonna like it too. We love candles in this house, but he really loves candles. He likes to burn them just because, like, any given day in our house, you'll see a candle burning. So I love this, and I'm gonna have to tell him this is a bougie candle, honey. This was $55, $48, honey. Wait. And I love that it's in this ceramic, what is this, cylinder type thing. when you burn your candle, when you finish burning your candles, you can reuse these. So I love that. I'm all about repurposing things. I'm always reusing stuff for a different purpose on this channel over here. We all about conservation. Conservation. Super cool. Super cool. Love that. Next up, we have got, what is this? What is this? The ban.do Bluetooth shower speaker. Okay. So I guess this hangs up in your shower. Okay, wow. Okay, cool. So there is a suction on the back of it. That is really cool. And I love the design. It's like a floral, really, really pretty design here. And so you've got, oh, wow. You can answer your phone, do the radio, turn it up or down. This is really dope. Okay. I would never think to buy anything like this for myself, but having it is kind of cool. That's really cool. So I'm excited to use that. I guess so you just connect the Bluetooth to your phone. And I guess through that you could like maybe play like Pandora or whatever. That is super dope. This retails for $30. So that's really cool. Again, I would never think to get that for myself, but I'm glad it's in here because I can try it out and see how I like it. That's really, really cool. What else we got in here? There's so much stuff in this box, you guys. So much stuff. Okay, this is the, is it Cusio Somatology, and this is the yoga calm and clean Epsom salt cant and body wash. Wow. Okay. Daily cleansing ritual with lavender oil. You guys, if you don't know, lavender is very soothing and it usually puts you to bed. You know, like I have my kids have like a calming nighttime body wash. It has lavender in it. It has a lavender fragrance. So usually that's the mode you're in. So yeah, that's cool. I like that. I like that a lot. I will definitely be trying this. This is, let's see what the price of this bad boy is. $39.95. Okay, y'all, these are some big ticket items in here. $39.95 for some body wash. Come on, yes, give it to me. So far, I'm super impressed. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm super impressed. Next, we've got the Prep Rally Prep and Prime and Prep Detangler by Dry Bar. Okay. Now, I'll be honest, this is probably the first of the products that I might not have too much of a use for. Well, I take that back, because when I wear my hair natural, because it is a Prime and Prep Detangler, I can probably try this on my hair and see how it does. Okay, I'm okay. It says it's a heat protectant also. I don't put heat on my natural hair at all. But if you are a natural who uses heat, that's really cool that there's a heat protectant in there. This retails for $23. So, okay. All right. And I think we have made it to the last product. And y'all, last but certainly not least, if you know anything about me on this channel, you know I love makeup. I stand for a good makeup product. This one I'm super excited about because this is from Beauty Bakery. Beauty Bakery is a Black-owned cosmetic line. I'm so thrilled to see them in a curated box like this. That is major. And I've always wanted to try the brand and I just have never gotten around to it. So I'm super excited to get this in this box. So this is the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. First of all, the packaging though is so cute. I love it. Everything on their everything in their line is like bakery themed. So they always have these cute names and really cute packaging. I really want to try their flour powder. It comes in like a little flour bag. I love it. I love it. And I'm all about a theme. Okay, so here is the palette. Very cute neutral palette. Lots of colors in here that I would love to, that I would wear. This is my everyday, like this right here. wonderful to deepen up my crease. These two are good crease colors for me. Oh my gosh, throw these on the lid. The names: rice pudding, chai pudding, bread pudding, butterscotch, spice caramel, mango pudding, almond jelly, warm cocoa, and nana pudding. Love it. Love it. Love it. I cannot wait to, oh my gosh. I think I'm the most excited about this. I don't know what I'm most excited about because everything was so good. Literally everything in this box I will use. Very practical. It is a beauty, lifestyle, wellness box, and I literally got every piece of that in this box. I mean, the candle, the body wash, the hair, the makeup, everything in here is wonderful and perfect for me. Perfect for me. I'm just really, really impressed. I'm really impressed, you guys. So $49.99, and it is, like I said, a seasonal box. This is the winter box, and they blew me out of the water. Absolutely blew me out of the water. And to be honest, I'm looking at the options in the book, because like I said, you get this the magazine that has some articles and stuff in the back, but in the very front it has the options that for you. I'm looking at it and I don't see a lot that I wouldn't have liked. You know what I'm saying? You got scarves, hats, house shoes, blankets. Love Kate Somerville. I mean, I'm just seeing a bunch of things that I would have liked to have. So nothing is amiss for me in this box. And that's not very often that occurs. You know what I'm saying? Like, you get a box and you can use everything in the box. Even this product, I was like, I don't know if I'll use that Prep and Prime, but it's a detangler. Who can't use a detangler? You know what I'm saying? So I'm thrilled. I love it. Perfect. 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 I'm going to have everything linked down below. I will also have a discount code linked down below for you so that you can get your first box for a discounted rate, guys. Please check them out. You know, you again, on this channel, we stand a good subscription box. So I'm all into this FabFitFun box. I'm super thankful to them for partnering with me on this video. And hopefully we can have more to come. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I love you so much. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.